Hi, I'm Eileen Whipple. I'm here in Gilbert, Arizona, and I'm excited to get to be here today. I did not know that this would be my path, that I got to live life, because just 6 years ago, I was laying on a couch about 9 hours a day, doing one task at a time. But rewind a little bit further than that. When my kids were 5, 7, and 9, I actually found myself crying at the kitchen table because I couldn't physically get them to school that day. My whole world came crashing in. I felt like a failure as a mom. I felt like a failure as a wife and a community member. You see, I knew I was getting sick, but I was ignoring it, and I could medicate it and it would be fine. But that day, everything just changed for me. For the next 15 years, I spent looking for answers. I changed my diet, I changed my environment. I did what I thought would work to give me quality of life back. After that much time, I actually succumbed. I gave up. I started addressing my issues too late. The disease was too big, and I got dealt a bad hand, and I just had to learn how to live with it and be happy there. So I did. And 2 years later, my daughter was introduced to flipping the switches through our doctor. And before long, I started on the products. And never have we taken the same products at all. She had her regimen and I had mine. But we're taking the exact same regimen, and both of us are having amazing results. And I found myself having more energy. I found myself living life. I found myself having hope for my future. And that is so much to me, to the point that here I am with you guys today, 6 years in November, that I have been able to flip these switches and watch my life return and come back to me, that I have actual hope for the future. And I'm excited. I definitely wasn't the mom I wanted to be. I'm a fun person. I love to be outdoors, and that was just not our path. But I definitely am looking forward to being the fun grandma. And when those kids come, I am grateful that I will be well to be able to play with them and to be able to do what a grandma does, is spoil them. So anyway, thank you and have a great day.